Hi everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens. This is episode 198 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you something really quick before I start. It's a beautiful day, thankfully, right now. It's been raining like crazy here. But I'm going to show you something right now while it's nice and good weather. You can see the sky. I have to take care of the parsley plants. I have a few videos recently. I'll probably link up some right now of my parsley plants that I grow myself from my own seed stock. But let me show you something interesting. I haven't removed it yet, linking it to an older video that I said I would. I waited just so I can show an example of why I would remove a plant. So let me show you the plants, parsley plant, that I didn't remove to show you that don't say, give it time, Moses. You don't know what will happen. Well, I knew exactly what will happen, and I'm going to show you right now. Let me flip the camera around. So parsley plants are everywhere. I'll show you a few others, but look, you could already tell where I'm heading to. So this plant right here, I said long ago, I'm going to remove. I said, you know what? Let me keep it to give an example for other people so they know. What if you just left it, Moses? Maybe it would have made it. Well, let me show you the ones next to it. So there's a nice bushy one. These are my own seed stock, by the way. Small, bushy. So you see that? Look over here. Same variety over here. There's 3 varieties I grow. You see the difference? Look how big these are. There's Lulu over there. See how big they are? So, and now also, I'm gonna show you something else. With these plants, I mean, how gorgeous is that? I have another video long ago I did it where the most beautiful landscape plant that's an edible is a parsley, in my opinion. I mean, they're just adolescent here. They're not even full grown. I'll show you the ones that are full grown. But you see how there's no bites on them or anything? Take a look at the one that's sick. You see let me get it out. One moment. You see the bites from slugs and snails biting it right here? So nature is trying to take that out. So if you see the difference, I didn't take it out so I can make a video later on, which I'm doing now. I didn't take it out so you guys can see that. Don't give it a chance. It's sad to say it that way, but when you see something wrong, just remove it. Because it could be sick. You don't know, and it could have spread. But actually, I didn't think about that till right now. So, but yeah, so this is gonna come out, and I'm gonna replace with some other ones. I'm gonna show you them right now. Here's some other varieties. No, that's the same variety. This is the other one. My what do you call it? Well, there's no name to it. It's my own. So let me focus. It's the one that's the big leaf, size of my hand, or almost size of my hand. This is just a baby. Look how big the leaves are already. When you go to the supermarket to buy your flat leaf parsley, no way they're that big, and this is a baby right now. So let me show you the mama that it came from. One moment. Let's take a nice little stroll. My daughter is trying to fix up. She broke all the mushrooms off the tip. She says she doesn't like the mushrooms. No, she said the gnomes don't like the mushrooms. I don't know. Well, a little garden tour. Hold on, let me see. No, not yet. Let me show you something's flowering already, and it's always out of 10 years, 8 years in a row, the almond. The almond is flowering. Zoom in. There we go. Pretty, huh? Look at all of them, all the way. But we eat this green, gananchnush, green almond. I don't wait till it matures. We eat it green with some salt and some lemon. Incredible. Okay, so let me show you. There's the mango, doing fine. A little bit of frost burn, but it's doing fine. Cherimoya is doing very well. Yeah, we'll make this a little tour as well. So look at we did get cold, 33, 32s, and nothing happened. No, it didn't defoliate. All the lemons. Okay, now let me show you. So here's some of the ones that I'm gonna replace with. This is, like I said, focus. There we go. My giant leaf, my own seed stock. I don't purchase these. These are I don't know now. I should have remembered. Eighth generation seed stock. My own. I just keep picking the biggest one. So here's the mamas. You see how big it is? All that is one plant, and that is two. These are both mamas. That's where those seeds came from. But I put in a spot. Let me see some big leaves. I put it in a spot. You see them? I put it in a spot that doesn't get a lot of sun though, like afternoon sun. So if it got afternoon sun, the video I linked up in this video, hopefully I'll remember, shows you almost my whole hand is this leaf. But look at that. Try to find that size in the store. And this tastes like parsley, of course, but a little sweet. And look how gorgeous this is. And have you ever seen, not to throw ego out there, but have you ever seen greener parsleys than this? My favorite plant, and there's my Zaatar. That's the first video on my channel, this plant right here, the first video I ever did on this channel, almost 8 years ago. And it looks like this spring this channel will be getting 10,000 subscribers. So that's good. Teaching people how to garden, trying to connect with nature, and not trying to sell anything. No channel memberships, no Patreon. I have a book, an ebook, which is free of how I garden, etc., 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 etc. I don't want anybody's money. I can't charge somebody trying to learn how to feed their children or family or themselves. Happy gardening, everybody. Almost 200 of these gardening without edits and over 1,500 videos now. Bye.